Welcome to the CIC, the Cat Information Center. Oh, we're gonna make fresh ricotta cheese, homemade. It's so good. I dare you not to eat the whole thing when you cook it the first time. So what we're gonna need, 4 fucking cups of whole milk. Farmer's Choice, kind of a boring cover. It's just a splash of milk. It's fucking bullshit. Probably tastes okay. 1 fucking cup of buttermilk. Buttermilk. This label's a little bit better. Trickling Springs. It makes me think of going to the bathroom, taking a leak. It's got a nice little cow on here. It's an actual foot over cow. I put a little bit more effort into this. 1/4 fucking cup of heavy cream. We got farmland. You know, they painted a cow. At least it's not as boring as the other one. The last thing you're gonna need is very important. Cheesecloth. Most supermarkets have it. Sometimes with the laundry shit, you gotta be careful. I don't know why they put it with the fucking laundry. It's got this fucking mesh so the water can drip through. You know, I cut it into 2 fucking things here. Alright, so you take one, put it in your fucking strainer, you know, drape it over. This one you fold twice. Yeah, I folded it twice over there. See here? Lay it across the other way. Take this thing, put it in the sink. Take your pot, get that ready. Get the heavy cream. Got a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Looks thick and disgusting. 1 fucking cup of buttermilk. It's the whole milk. 4 cups of this. So the fucking container's a quart. 4 cups in a quart. We don't gotta measure it. Just throw it in. And there we are, my friends. From this, cheese cometh. You want to make it medium-high heat. Medium-high. Bring it up to a boil. Takes about 10 minutes to do this. You get one of these fucking candy thermometers. Gets up to 180 degrees, and it's done. If you don't have one of these things, it doesn't matter because you're going to see the shit start to separate. You know, the curds can float from the fucking whatever. You're going to see it happen here, so I'm not going to explain it. You're going to need a slotted spoon so you can get the fucking shit out of there. And it's starting to separate a little bit. Stir it a little bit more. Just about where we want it. Check the temperature here. Let's push it to 185. Yeah, it's almost there. So we're going to take it off the heat. Move over here. Move the little chicken. Make sure the chickens can see what's going on here. Make sure we got some salt ready. Because every 3 or 4 of these spoonfuls, you're going to add some salt. Let's put that right on the cloth. That smells good. Put some salt in there. If it's too fucking moist, just let it drain for a little longer. My God, that looks good. Now the rest, we're getting a little thin here. I'm going to strain it the quick way. I'll just put a little more salt in here. Let that sit for a minute. Let it drain a little bit. So that's it. Total fucking cooking time, 15 minutes. Here we go, sports fans. Homemade ricotta. You will not ever want to buy it from the store again after you try this. Fucking awesome.